John Hobbs here. I'm with a community that's been helping people be real estate investors since January 2011, transforming many of the members from employee to self-employed to business owner to investor. Hesitation to attend a first meeting is common because of all the high-pressured sales real estate investor events are known for. This caused them to be fearful and almost not take the opportunity to see for themselves why we are different and better in every way. Many of our members used to believe real estate investment required a great deal of their own money, or that it's complicated to do. After experiencing the 24/7 online education and local community, their misconceptions were dispelled by the results they received. They couldn't believe what they learned by attending our meetings, held all over the U.S., which had them coming back to following meetings. What they discovered was valuable content that could be used now, all without being pressured to buy now. Then, once they became members and kept learning, then applying the knowledge taught, the life and financial freedom they desired became reality. If you're wanting to be a real estate investor, we are hoping you find a supportive, successful community like ours. Have a blessed day.